All right, guys, so today I am going to show you how to remove, clean, and reinstall the base plate wheels on most of the Dyson cleaner heads. All right, you can pretty much get away with using minimal tools. You're going to need a very small, kind of a smaller sized flat screwdriver to get in under the axle here. Maybe a pair of pliers to pull the axle out of the wheel, and then possibly a utility knife to cut the hair off of the axle. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to stick our screwdriver in on this side where the axle is going to pop out of. The axle is going to pop out on this side of the wheel. So I'm going to stick my screwdriver right in on this side, kind of snug it in there, and then I'm going to pry it this way, and that is going to pop the wheel and axle out. And then we can just slide this wheel off. You can see all the hair that's underneath there. And I'm going to use my utility knife, and I'm just going to cut that hair off like that. This one's got a little bit of rust, so I'm going to carefully just kind of scrape it off with the utility knife blade. And then I like to push it through one more time. Sometimes I catch extra hair that's still in there. All right, now reinstalling it is a little bit finicky, but the best method that I like to do is I like to hold it like this with my thumb kind of underneath to keep the axle from falling out of the wheel. And then I'm going to be aiming at pushing it into this little hole right here. So I'm going to keep it kind of in the up position, and then I'm going to start sliding the wheel. Once I've got it in that hole, I'm going to slide the wheel up, and then the axle will drop down in place there. And then you take your screwdriver here, and then just I'm going to put it straight on the bench so I don't hurt my hand if I slip. And then just push firmly right on that axle, and it pops in place. All right, so that's how to clean those wheels out, and I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.